everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and in today's video I'm just going to take a quick look at this leather laptop sleeve from a company called the Jacket Maker. So you can see there it's the Jacket Maker, and this is in their True Carry line of bags and device things, I guess, right? So they have some laptop sleeves, they have some backpacks, they have just carry bags, handbags, and that sort of thing. So I am pretty excited to take a look at this. It is supposed to be some high quality leather and a very nice laptop sleeve. It comes in this little slip case here. It's kind of like a cotton slip case, and then this is the laptop sleeve itself. Now, just some general information about the Jacket Maker. They are a one-of-a-kind direct-to-consumer brand that combines old-world bespoke tailoring with e-commerce to make the finest leather quality goods. So now they offer lots of things beyond just bags, right? So they have clothes, they have jackets, they have shoes, they have all kinds of stuff. Anything you really could make out of leather, they're actually making. And some general information about the bags themselves. They do use full-grain naturally milled leather, chrome finished accessories with rust proofing, and they're very minimalistic, logo free. There's not a bunch of branding all over it or anything like that. Handmade with finest stitching, smooth edges and curves, and they do offer personalization. Now, this is not personalized, but you can get personalization. You can get printing on it, embroidery, embossing, those sorts of things. Now, for this video, I do have what they're calling their Baxter black leather laptop sleeve. And again, this is crafted from full grain cowhide leather. It has an inner shell with cotton twill and padding. So if you look here, this is a cotton twill material and thick padding on either side, right? So obviously for a laptop case, laptop sleeve, you want it to be very robust so you don't damage your laptop. So this is pretty padded. So this basically has a three-sided two-way zipper, right? So you can see you can zip it two ways. And the zipper itself is feels pretty high quality. You can see those chrome accessories with the leather pulls on there. This does have an open slip pocket, so you can slip papers or other things that you want to carry along there. It also has a trolley handle, which you can slip over something if you're traveling or something like that. And you want to put it over the handles of your bag, or just you want to slip your arm through it. Well, that looks a little weird, but something to grab onto there. But that is a trolley strap. It does have a card holder on the inside as well, as you can see here. So you can put a card, a business card, a help me find, like reward if found card, that sort of thing. And it does have a True Carry embossing there, as you can see. And this size is 10 inch by 14 inch by 1 inch. So this is obviously sized for kind of like a mid-sized laptop. I do have a MacBook Pro 14 inch here, and that fits basically right in there really well. So MacBook fits really nicely. When you zip it up, I mean, there's still some room in there. It's not like a super tight fit. I think, as you can see here, there's a little bit of room on this top and the sides, but it is sized for the MacBook. But overall, super soft leather, high quality stitching. It doesn't look to be any defects that I can see here. It's really nicely made, really nicely put together. Smells really nice, like leather would smell, I guess. The inside here also has that cotton twill. I don't know, it's hard to see since this is all black. So overall, just a really nice case. This would be a perfect gift for somebody that is kind of tech savvy in your life, has a MacBook or has a 14-inch size laptop, and you're looking for a really nice high quality Christmas gift for them. You might want to check this out. It's really nice, makes for a nice presentation, and I'm sure this will last for many, many years. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I'll be happy to answer. I will also link to this on the Jacket Maker's website. There is a T is for Tech coupon. You can get 10% off if you use that. So I will post that code in the description as well. And as always, this is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.